Hi, Kayla. What's Mommy playing? You want to try playing that? Can you try playing that? Oh, good girl, look. Play it again. Play it again. Oh, almost. Good try. Try this side. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. You played the kazoo. What a good girl. You want to try it again? Want to try it again? Wow. Kayla at 9 months playing an instrument. Yay! Wow, look at that. Good girl. What a good girl. You're so talented. Can you wave for Mommy? Kayla, look. Kayla, can you wave? Can you do your Miss America wave? Can you? Wow. Do your Miss America wave. Are you playing? Are you playing an instrument? Yes. Kayla, do this. How impressive. Oh. Play it. Any more, honey? Any more? All right, Kayla, say bye-bye.